Hello folks, welcome back to 20XX. Let's... Why did I come down here? I know there's not anything I need. Alright, let's see how far we can go. Last time was what? 3 bosses, but terrible soul chip pulls, so we didn't actually get a ton out of it. But I think we can pull that kind of thing off again. Oh gosh. Oh. Okay. So that's how that is then. If I'm level with them, it doesn't. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, I killed it and it's still, at least I thought I killed it. Okay. So if I'm level with those enemies, that's nothing. Then I can just get their thing. Wow, I'm getting a lot of cash, so this is going to be real nice. Which way is the... Okay. Die. Okay, I'm going to go this way in case there's something over here that'll help me with the glory room. Can I go in between these? I sure can. Oh, I was so close. Alright. Wow, that's not useful at all, for the moment at least, but it could have been something useful, so I guess I'm glad I tried it. I did think about that correctly. Alright, I'm really poorly equipped for a glory zone right now, but that doesn't mean we don't try. Oh gosh. Die. Okay. Oh, we did it! Yes! Alright. Dracopent's Pride. Attack kills might restore health. Oh, that... Oh, if this ever procs, that's gonna be sweet. I needs my health. And attacking is how I get most of my kills. Four! Nice. Alright. Don't need that. Oh, I see how this works. Okay. Oh! I didn't see how this works. Let's see if this is down... Yes, there's still some health over here. Alright. So I think if I do the same thing, but on the one on the left, I think I can get around the whole, landing on the flames thing. Ow! Oh, I misjudged that. Okay. There's still one left over here. Oh. We're trading, time for health here a bit. Oh, gosh. Ow. Oh. Well, we got through it. Oh, gosh. I'm suffering the tiniest bit of lag. And by teeniest tiniest, I mean I noticed it, so it's actually pretty bad. Oh gosh. Ow. Ow. This is not a good place for lag. Jeez, how is this? Oh. Oh no. Am I just... Nope. I lived. Oh gosh, that was close. Ow. Okay. Oh, come on! Oh, that was going so well. Okay, 4 chips. Wow, I really... Oh gosh. Really? I only get 1 even. That sucks. Sucks. Alright. Oh. Just one obstacle that I wasn't ready for. Oh, there's a lot that's not working out in my favor in this start. Oh, gosh. Alright. 4. Is that a platform? No, it's not. Okay. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Alright. 2 tokens. Wow, this will be really nice if I ever get to the place that does tokens. That's an if. That looks like a very tricky platforming sequence to get a secret. I don't think I'll get out of there unscathed. I don't think I'll get out of here unscathed. So, maybe we just... I always hate to ignore a secret, but, you know. Alright. Die! Oh, I missed. Oh. Oh, gosh. This is too many of them. Oh. This is some nonsense. Die. Alright, 10 seconds. Oh, I did it! Spam. Power kills might restore health. Wow, that is not... Once again, not immediately useful. I don't even know what this boss... This is like the roller boss. I don't even know what his power is. Okay, so now... Oh, sweet. Oh, 3 tokens. Oh, if I ever hit the thing that takes tokens, I'm gonna be set. I'm gonna be golden. I'm gonna be empowered. Oh, I couldn't get away from a tricky platforming segment. Could I? Okay, mental note. I might be able to climb up from the side that way. Nope, that didn't happen. Come on. Oh gosh, no! Making it, and when you don't expect to, is almost worse than not making it. Oh gosh. Really glad I found out that doesn't hit me. Oh gosh. Okay. That is gonna hit me, but I couldn't get away. Oh, I can't get away. Oh, this is some nonsense. 2 health. Let's go. Let's stinking go. Alright. I'm outside of the range of that thing. I am safe. Alright. Alright. Oh, come on. Bees. Oh gosh. Oh, I saw it coming though. Are you? Alright. Ah. See, I've been trying not to blame the lag too much, but that one was definitely the lag. That complete and total miss on the escape hole. Alright. Oh, come on. Just send out a volley that just absolutely misses the target. Why wouldn't that target be in range? Oh gosh. You were freaking me out too much. It's all your fault. Okay. I'm trying to make everything just... We're dealing with the lag by keeping it down to the simplest movements possible, which is probably what I should be doing even if I'm not lagging. Okay. I have some number of scrap for health. Oh, thank goodness, it's 2 exchange. 2 for 3. Alright. So this guy does go, but not very fast. Alright. So, unleash damage. Oh, come on. Oh. Okay, so we can bounce on those. Come down where I can kill you. Oh, gosh. Oh. I will say, I'm not feeling the lag so bad right now. Nope. Yeah, he didn't do what I predicted he'd do. Oh! Don't do that. Oh, he feels very unpredictable. Oh, can I just kill him? I cannot. Oh, I'm so glad I jumped over that. Die. Oh, I think I can just kill him if he just gets in range. No. Ah, I just stood and took it. Alright. Gimme. Alright. Yes, please. Health. Oh. Gimme health. Alright. Boomerang blade. Oh, I think I have. This sounds familiar. Alright. Remember, you don't get paid if you die. It's an efficient business model. Alright. 2 soul chips. I think that's enough to do something. Sure, Sky Temple. Oh, I think the one on the far right would have actually been a bit better, but oh well. Alright, setting up with my soul chip enemy right away. That's nice. I'll get this if I bite it. Ooh, 11 total. That's decent. Oh, just cat, you're not very useful. You haven't earned that rest. Oh gosh. Oh, I can use my thing. He dropped a token! Another token! Of all the things. The most situationally useful. Possibly I will die before I reach that situation. Oh gosh. Speaking of die. Oh gosh. Okay. Hehe. You were facing the wrong way, buddy. Alright, I know the boomerang blade is going to get stuck if I toss it at a solid platform, so ow. Wow, I have spent that was a net zero is what I'm trying to say. Oh. Wow, this level loves these guys. Whatever RNG god set this up said, we want all of those weird mortar things. All of them. They're far less threatening than they seem like they should be. I'm not going after that. It's just a coin. It can be dead. Alright. I don't think I can get around that one unless I get right up in its face. Oh, I meant to dash there, but it doesn't look like there was anything anyway. Oh gosh, I came so close. Alright. Forget what I said about abandoning you forever, little scrap bit. I have acquired you. Alright, am I sure there was nothing over to the left? I'm pretty sure. Oh, thank goodness I could kill him real quick. Oh, that timing was nearly too close. Alright. Alright, Glory Zone. I need to remember that I have access to the boomerang thing. Oh, I'm gonna die. I need to stop just entering glory holes with so little consideration for how actually close to death I am, because that'll happen. That thing is called a Snomp? That's a weird name. Alright. Speaking of weird, this has been a weird session, so I think the lag's gone now of all times. Okay, all stats up? I don't want speed up. I don't want speed up. Do I just get Contractor Plus? This isn't worth spending all my things when I could get a permanent upgrade. Or an item unlock, I should say. All stats up is probably just strictly better than one of the ones that don't do. So, oh, and I'll start next run with it. That's sweet. All right. As I was saying, I think it's time to do a nice new session. So, see you guys next time.